it had to come to an end eventually.
15-year-old Catalina witnessed Thursday's deadly officer-involved shooting at close range. The Fresno teen was waiting to catch the 41 bus.
I had been waiting there in the heat for half an hour.
All of a sudden, she sees the driver of this green Honda hit a truck, then a van, then
the police got out of their cars and they started surrounding it, and they were telling them to turn off the car and get out.
But she says the woman behind the wheel didn't listen and instead hit the gas.
The car started backing up and they started shooting at it.
Catalina heard 10 to 20 gunshots. The passenger and driver were both hit and rushed to the hospital where they died. CHP investigators say the reason the couple refused to stop and led police on a high-speed chase, this green Honda is stolen.
She used the car once to try to take out one of our motor officers, and again she tried to use the vehicle, which is a weapon. It's bigger than a bullet or a knife for that matter, and she tried to run over two of our officers, several of our officers in her car, with her car.
Fresno police is now investigating the officer-involved shooting.
From what I've seen on the news in the past, some of them haven't been justified, but this one seems justified. I guess they tried to run over a CHP officer. I would have shot them too.
As for Catalina,
they said that I was a prime witness.
did she feel the lives of CHP officers were in danger?
It was possible if the car would have went forward, it would have hit all the policemen that were there.